All right, this is our top songs of 2022 Explorer for Spotify and TikTok. This is kind of a project aimed at DJs who are looking to slot some new viral songs into their DJ sets by kind of exploring the data that's available on Kaggle and from Spotify's charts. So just a little demonstration of what some DJ software looks like. This is Serato DJ here, and you can see some data that is present as a DJ is going through. Is, you know, the key things are your BPM here and the key of songs. So you want them to sound good by kind of mixing them in similar keys. So we'll kind of demonstrate how we show that in the data here later.
The top right chart is our main graph, and it's used to interact with all of the other graphs. The x-axis represents the popularity score, which is a Spotify algorithm that represents the total number of plays a song or track has. And then the y-axis represents the audio characteristics, so anything from BPM to energy to danceability, and it will reflect the scatter point plots. And then each scatter point plot has a tooltip which shows the name of the song as well as the other attributes. And then the legend is interactive, and if you click on it, you can filter the data by which group they are in, which group of data sets that they come from. And then you can also brush over the data, and it will update and reflect all of the other charts. So our second graph is going to be the Camelot wheel, which is a circular bar chart on a dual axis. And there is a tooltip which will give you information and a little bit more information about the wheel. If you hover over each specific one, it will update the center and tell you how many songs and what key they are in. And then the stool button will align all of the data on a singular axis, which you can represent the data on one axis.
So the next couple elements down here is a little bit more detail with this table showing some of the release date and the album art for the current selection. Like kind of as you saw before, this will update with the brush selection, showing those different songs there, as well as having a hover interaction where it will highlight the track on the scatter plot as well. The headers here allow for sorting, so you can sort by the attribute that you're selected on the graph. So we're on danceability right now, so we can sort by the least or the most danceable, and then kind of investigate where those songs are in relation to everything else. This will also change as you change the attribute. So say we want to look at loudness, then we can look at here's the quietest song by Drake, or the loudest song is up here. So just allows you to kind of look at some more of those details and change the ordering of the data. The last element over here is a heat map that's showing the top 25 songs in the current selection, and arranged by the same kind of sorting that you're using on the table. So right now we can see we're sorting by the loudest song, and you can kind of see how the different attributes compare. So this just has all the different acoustic attributes, so danceability, acousticness, energy, instrumentalness, all of those. And these are all from 0 to 1 values, just determined based on the song itself. And then these values in blue are kind of more discrete values, so showing the BPM, the loudness, and then the length of the song itself. Our last interaction is just being able to click on the Camelot wheel here and highlight the songs in each key and showing that on the graph.